What's up, YouTube? I had sourced all my Voron 2.4 R1 parts, and then I ordered some parts from Etsy because I thought the Q wasn't going to move as fast as it did, and then R2 came out. So now I kind of in the middle of some things. I'm just going to show a couple things I found that aren't going to work. So we assembled most of it with R1 while watching the R2 manual. These PCBs for the end stops will not fit in the R1 components. And then I had the two rails, I have the other one ordered, so we just put the nuts in here. And then these pieces, I forget what they call them, but on each side of this gantry here will not work. This is where the PCB end stop is, because the rail here is meant for a 9, not a 12. So other than that, and then like the little skirt stuff, it doesn't really matter. Everything else seems to be pretty good, and it'll all work. We just threw it together without the belts on it, but it's not quite clear what is different on the R2 to some of us. So this is just what I found with the assembly. So I kind of stopped here and have to wait to get the end stops printed, and then these printed and my new rail, and I should be able to go finish it. And the only thing I'm questionable on is whether or not, well, I need just piece 2 to fit. I think if this probe still works, it recommends the Omron now, but it mentioned, I saw at one time that this is no longer usable, but I'm not entirely sure. But I kind of wanted to build it to spec before doing any clicky mods or anything like that. So yeah, just a quick video, let you know.